Hey guys, Alicia here. I wanted to show you how to make a layout for your Etsy listings if you have more than one item that you are trying to display. Examples of this would be something like, a planner kit, or even watercolor flowers. If you have anything that you have more than one of and you want to create some sort of a layout, I'm going to show you how to do that for free in iPicky.com. But if you are an Adobe user, you can also use InDesign. That is great for creating layouts. A lot of people use them for even magazine layouts. But for right now, for just our Etsy listing, we're going to do it right here in iPicky.com. Okay, so I am going to click on Create a Design. That's where you want to go. And once this loads, in 2019, Etsy changed the Etsy listing size criteria to 2000 by 2000, just to make it fit perfectly. And also allowing Etsy users to be able to zoom in and see what the product is all about and what it all includes. Okay, so before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Okay, so I'm going to go here and click New. Okay, so I'm going to make my template size 2000, and I'm going to go ahead and make it 2000. Really, as long as the width is 2000, the height could be maybe a little bit different, but I'm just going to go ahead and make it 2000 by 2000, and I'm going to click Create. Okay, I'm going to show you the photo that she had asked. So the question was, can someone please enlighten me on how you make these preview photos with all the pages of a printable set? So I'm going to go ahead. I did save that photo, and I'm going to create something similar to that. Okay, so this was the photo that she posted. This was the photo, and as you can tell, it is showing right here that it has a bunch of different items. It's showing all the pages, everything that you need to see that comes, and it even says up here foster care plus adoption binder organization set, and it's explaining everything that's in it all in one picture. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to delete that now that I've shown you that part, and I'm going to use some examples from a planner I made back at the end of December. So we are in the designer, and I want to click over here to add a photo. So I'm just going to drag some of these over here, and then we will position them. And as you can tell, I'm just sort of positioning these. And you have to remember what comes first goes on top. So I'm just layering this kind of over the top here. Okay, I'm going to keep adding some more photos. And you just kind of have to play around with this until you actually get it how you like it. But are you seeing what I'm doing here? It's like I am just dragging some images over here. Okay, so now I'm just going to just keep playing around with these, and as you can tell, you can make this bigger, smaller, just by the boxes. And sorry for the dead silence. Sometimes that's just how it is in design videos. I'm just arranging these and showing you how easy you can actually do this. And once again, you can make these as big or small, whatever you need to do, and however you would like to position it. Now, if you notice, I'm leaving some space right here, and that is for the main image, and it's the cover image. Okay, so I was trying to get this somewhat similar to the photo that she had, which mine is just a little bit different. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, and this is just a super quick example. This is not by any means anything perfect. I'm just trying to give you the concept of how to do this. And you can even tilt them different ways if you want to kind of tilt it that way and just make some, make it a little bit more interesting. It's all up to you on how you want to design this. Okay, so finally I'm going to pull over the cover page here. Okay, so now that I have these laid out, and once again, these are not perfect in any way, shape, or form. I would actually, if I was doing this for real, I would spend a lot more time on this, but I just don't want the video to be too long. And remember, when you're layering, whatever pictures you add first, those are going to be the ones, they're going to go on top of each other as you add them, which is why I added this one last, because I wanted this to be sort of the focal point of the layout. Okay, so now I did allow some room up here at the top where we can add some text. And so I am just going to add okay, and I'm going to now go and I'm going to change my font, and I'm going to click right here on local. Any fonts that you have purchased, they're going to show up over here. So while I'm scrolling to find a font, I am going to pause this for just a second. I usually do that so you don't have to watch me scrolling. So now I have picked out my font, and I actually added some more wording up here at the top. You can put this at the top, or you can put this layout in the middle, and you can put some text at the top and some at the bottom if you wish to do so. It's however you want to design it. The main thing is showing you how to layer everything all on one single page. Okay, so now we need to change the colors of this just to kind of break it up a little bit and break up some of the monotony of how this is. So I'm going to change my color. This is something else I should probably pause the video for. I like to use the color dropper a lot just to try to get the same colors that are in here. So I just changed this to the same navy that's in this watercolor on this page. And on this one, let's see, I'm going to use the color dropper again, and I'll just kind of or I'm going to pick one of these. Okay, and then the same thing here. I'm probably going to go to this color right here and just keep that and if you're wondering why I did the and sign different, the font that I was using, I did not like the way the and sign turned out. The same thing with this number, so I used a different font. And another little trick here, actually I'm just going to go here. If I click right here on the color, hang on. No, didn't want to do that. Let me go to undo. Okay, so another thing you can do when you find a color that you like, it assigns it a number up here at the top, and all you have to do is highlight it and paste it. For some reason, it makes me keep doing this over right now. So let's just say that we chose that color. whenever you go to assign it. Or if you went here and let's say that we're not using the color dropper, we're just going to pick out a different color, it assigns it a number up here at the top. You gotta click, hang on a second. You gotta click right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna change the color, which is kind of hard to tell on that 125. And you can make this any color that you want. However you want to do this, but I was just trying to show you how to use the color dropper tool. Okay, so that's how that's done. This was just a super quick, this was just a super quick tutorial on how you can do a layout for your Etsy listing. I hope this video was helpful to you. Once again, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos. Also, if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, you can do so by going to Facebook and search for Etsy Passive Income. You have to make sure you answer the 3 questions and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. Thank you so much for watching and I hope everyone has a great day.